Greetings, we are presenting a video titled Premium IOL within reach, free of negative dysphotopsia and no glare halos with good depth of focus. Today, the cataract surgery is fast becoming a refractive surgery as patients want a crisp and clear distance, intermediate and near vision. So what is an ideal premium PC IOL? A no negative dysphotopsia, halos, glare, excellent distance, intermediate, near vision and also cost effective. Well, the answer is Autofocus Pro, a make in India and world's best design IOL which is a ringless and polyfocal progressive. This is a schematic diagram of Autofocus Progressive Polyfocal Optic which gives excellent distance, intermediate and near vision by gradient refractive index technology. These two dialing holes are also position indicators to be kept in upper half of the eye. Zigzag serrated outer edges of L-shaped haptics gives a rock-solid rotational stability. Its optic and haptics loading and folding is very easy. It requires implantation through a 2.6mm incision which is quite easy and smooth. The insertion of leading haptic loop in the capsular bag as well as the trailing loop in the bag is easy. When we rotate the lens, then we can actually feel the tactile resistance at the fornix, and we can also see the Fornician lens epithelial cells getting scrapped out by the edge of the loop. We can see the debris coming out which decreases the chances of PCO. At any size of pupil, light distribution proportion remains same, therefore it is pupil independent. Because of this, angle kappa or angle alpha are of no significance or importance, and it is clearly evident that there is no energy loss because there is no destructive interference or diffraction. In the retroillumination, we can barely perceive the different zones of the Autofocus Pro IOL. This is the only ringless polyfocal progressive IOL having all the three zones in the central 1mm of the optic. This nearly flat depth of focus chart on the minus side is indicative that Autofocus Pro IOL behaves like a natural crystalline lens of a teenager, and contrast sensitivity is as good as young adolescent. All the patients with clear cornea and healthy macula in diabetics are fit for this IOL. Autofocus Pro IOL has a great modulation transfer factor of 70%. Like a bullet train after binocular implantation, the average reading speed was more than 200 words per minute. Autofocus Pro IOL is the best choice for children as they need only monofocal spectacles for their myopia but no progressive spectacles requirement. In a study of over 5,000 cases, in most cases, best corrected visual acuity was 6/9 or better if macula was healthy. Near vision was unaided N6 at 10 to 14 inch and computer vision was excellent from 2 feet to 4 feet distance. Easy needle threading in low light at after bilateral surgery was easily done. Almost there is no positive dysphotopsia, no glare, no halos, waxy vision and no photic phenomena, so it is an IOL of choice in night drivers also. In conclusion, Autofocus Pro is an ideal ringless and novel premium IOL with no negative dysphotopsia, halos, glare, progressive polyfocal pupillary independent PC IOL correcting all types of vision and fit for night drivers with crisp and clear vision. These are my acknowledgements. Thank you so very much.